Hello guys, welcome to channel. In this video we are talking about how to hard reset JBL Partybox Encore Essential speaker. To hard reset a JBL Partybox Encore Essential speaker, you have to follow some steps. First of all, you have to ensure the JBL Partybox speaker is turned on. Then you have to find the volume plus and play pause buttons on the speaker. Then you have to press and hold the volume plus and play pause button simultaneously. Then you have to continue holding the button for about 10 to 15 seconds. You should see the light on the speaker flash or changes, indicating that the reset process has started. Once the light indicates the reset has started, release the button. After the reset is complete, turn off the speaker and then turn it back on to ensure the reset is successful and issue you are facing with your JBL Party Box has been fixed or not. If you want to know more about this product, I'll give you the link in the description. You can go from that link, and if you want to buy the product, you can buy from that link. Hopefully this video help you to hard reset your JBL Partybox Encore Essential speaker. Thanks for watching.